veteran Buffalo police officer is at the center of a lawsuit over claims he punched and kicked a man in the head, breaking his nose. And it was all captured on this surveillance video. It happened more than 3 years ago outside a nightclub downtown.
And it's not the first time that this officer has been accused of using excessive force. 7 Eyewitness News reporter Ed Dranch is following this story from the live desk tonight.
That's right. And last week I was first to tell you about Officer Littlejohn and the accusation that he bashed a man's head through the window of his own pickup truck. New tonight, I've learned of even more trouble, more accusations against Littlejohn, and it's all connected to this surveillance video.
Walked out of the old sinful nightclub on Delaware Avenue.
And then right away you see 2 punches.
Attorney James Vendetti says Buffalo police officer Cedric Littlejohn attacked his client Derek Anderson early one January morning in 2013. Surveillance video shows people pouring into the street immediately after.
Officer Littlejohn pulled his service revolver and told everybody to back up. Buffalo police with his gun drawn.
Vendetti says Littlejohn was working security at the club, now called Waiting Room. He was off duty according to the attorney, but dressed in a Buffalo police uniform.
Police officers, especially when you identify yourself as a police officer, certainly you appear to be on duty.
That's exactly why his client is suing Littlejohn and the city of Buffalo, claiming the officer violated Anderson's civil rights, assaulting and striking him without provocation, causing serious injury, a broken nose.
The Buffalo police should actually step up and defend and indemnify officers that hold themselves out to be police officers and commit these acts upon the public.
Despite filing the citizen complaint against Littlejohn, Vendetti says he does not believe Littlejohn was ever disciplined and was never charged with assault.
The interesting thing is not only was Officer Littlejohn not charged, but Mr. Anderson wasn't charged in this.
He's supposed to conduct himself a lot better than that, whether he's on duty or off.
Fast forward to this past February. This man, who we're calling JC, has also accused Littlejohn of assault in what some are calling a violent road rage attack on Michigan Avenue.
He grabbed a hold of me by the throat, slammed my head into the side of my truck about 3 times, breaking the window out.
But when JC called 911, this eyewitness says Littlejohn, who was off duty, took off before police arrived.
As soon as he said, "I'm calling the cops," the guy from the gray car said, "I am a cop."
Hi there, Officer Littlejohn.
Yes, sir.
I'm Ed Dranch from Channel 7.
When I confronted him, Littlejohn acknowledged some sort of an altercation between he and JC, but refused to talk specifically about what happened.
Did you bash somebody's head through a windshield, through a window? You didn't.
Sorry, I can't talk about that. You got to talk to my department about that.
So you're denying that you bashed somebody's head through a window.
So you got to talk to my department about that. Thank you.
Thank you.
The department would only say Littlejohn is being investigated by Internal Affairs. As for the 2013 case recorded on camera, the department spokesman refused to comment, pending litigation.
We're just hoping that claims and similar claims like this lead to a change in behavior within the Buffalo Police Department.
Well, at one point throughout this entire scuffle, the attorney says Littlejohn actually grabbed Anderson's $4,000 necklace, breaking it. It shattered all over the ground, and you'll actually be able to see folks scattering all over the place to try and pick up the pieces. That's part of this civil lawsuit as they seek monetary damages. Littlejohn is due back in court in July. Ed Dranch, 7 Eyewitness News.